he advised to them when to turn how to check Snapchat block list, and all you have to do is to launch the Snapchat application. And then from here, you're going to tap on your messages. From here, let's say, for example, that we would like to block somebody, like let's say this person, we're going to tap on each friendship, and then you're going to tap on block. We're going to tap on block, and as you can see, we will no longer see them here. But in the case that we do want to see them, maybe they have apologized to us and we have considered the apology. All you have to do is to tap on the gear icon, and from there you're going to scroll down until you see account options, and then you're going to tap on global users. From there you can just tap on the X icon that is here, and it will remove Kanye from the blocked users. I'm going to tap on yes, and they really turn to your messages. Once you head on over back to the messages, you will be able to see them. And thank you guys. I'm letting this video. Please do like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.